rush this morning, but let's do a morning analysis. Why? Because I feel like it. And I don't know, I just feel like getting extra content out, so let's do it together. So I'm going to remove, just remove all my indications. See, I should not be doing this. I'm so tired and I'm rushing. Okay, we're on the 1 hour right now. I'm going to remove these alerts because I don't need them anymore. Price is already retraced to my area of interest. What I want to see, I'm a little bit attached, which is not the best, but to this zone where price never had a full retrace, but I'm going to mark it out still because still price is bullish above. And then if we zoom in, I think we're going to use yesterday's move as the new area. Okay, we can see price has already made an indication, correction, and continuation. So we'll use this high. I'm just going to mark out both of those highs because I feel like they're both quite important, but price has pretty much already made an indication, correction, and continuation. So, hello. Okay. And I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the top. Bullish above. I'm going to say bearish below. I'm not sure if it's still considered as bearish below. I feel like this would be our no trade zone because, yes, price did sell off below this level and it bought up and it sold off. Hit this level, sold off, hit this level, sold off, hit this level, bought up. So price is now bullish above this level and bearish below here. But I feel like it's properly bearish below here because price still bought up from this point. I don't know if that analysis was right. I'm really tired. We're going to move to the 4 hour just so we can get a little bit of extra clarity. Okay, yeah, that looks right because, yeah, that's a swing high. Perfect, love that. Alright, so I don't want to scale down into lower time frame because I base everything off a higher time frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an alert here. I can see price is already making its way up there. And then I'm going to put an alert here. I'm going to put here. Because I don't really care what goes on in this range because I'm not trading it. So I'm going to put no trade zone. Oh my god, I have to leave in like 2 minutes. I'm going to put no trade zone there. And then the price is bullish above this level. Oh my gosh, look at my spelling. That's really bad. Let me drink my matcha. Gosh, this is going to be the quickest thing you guys have ever seen me do. Okay, it's FOMC tonight. Let's go into Forex Factory. I feel like this is it. This is really it. Actually, you know what? Okay, no, price is bearish below that point. Oh, it's so conflicting having 8 days like this where it's just like the charting is so easy. It feels like it should be more complicated. But that's really it. And I don't know if I'm going to take a trade off of this because, I mean, these are quite big retracements. We haven't experienced big retracements like this for a minute. Like, look at all of that with no huge retracement. This is probably the biggest retracements that we've had in a minute. So maybe sellers are starting to take a little bit of control. We got that psychological level at 4,000. You know what? I'm going to mark that out with just a horizontal, no, not array, horizontal line. Just because, yeah, I'm interested to see when price hits this point. Okay, we'll put it there. Let's make it pink. Because as you can see, we have a theme on this chart. Okay, we got that psychological level there. So I'm low-key anticipating that price might go above here, might go below, and then it's probably going to push up to here. And I don't know if price is going to push through or if it's going to just sell off from that point. So we'll see what actually happens. There's no point predicting. I've never traded in that type of market before, so there's no point predicting. I'm just going to put it here because it just makes more sense to me. So I want to see, is price going to break below here? Is price going to break above here? I'm also going to keep a indication on that 4,000 mark. Okay, it's like just below. There we go. Perfect. All right, let's go into Forex Factory together. Okay, today we have nothing, but then I think, hello? Oh, hold on. Where am I? Okay, it's a recording. That was so confusing. I was like made to log in or something. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me refresh. Where did it go? Okay, here we go. Okay, we got the FOMC at 2 a.m. my time. I never stay up to FOMC. Just because it's so early. Like, look, 2 a.m. Like, I gotta be asleep. I try to be asleep by 12. And then we've got the unemployment claims. That's tomorrow. So we're only really concerned about the FOMC tonight. So price could be potentially a little bit, choppy. It could be a little bit choppy, a little bit not moving very far because FOMC, because we might be anticipating that. And FOMC might not happen because of the US government shutdown. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to get my daily journal, start my day today, and then I'm going to start my day with my pre-trade market analysis, which is my journaling. Today is obviously the 8th of the 10th of 25. Don't ask me why I still write this down. I know it has the date and everything on here. I really need to delete that from the template because that's really relevant. Okay. High time frame bias is bullish. Key levels, previous swing high. It was a swing low, right? No, it's really just the previous swing high and current swing high. And brackets waiting for the indication. And I guess, you know what, I guess we'll mark this freaking low because I just feel like it's kind of irrelevant because it's a freaking low and we're not looking for lows. Do we need this? No, we don't need that. Because I'm trying to think, I usually do my analysis, I usually just mark the previous high and the previous low on the high time frame. So even though I was marking out this level, I was interested in the level, but it's so irrelevant because price is either going to indicate above this high or below this low. So there we go. So previous swing high, waiting for the indication, and previous swing low, news events, FOMC at 2 a.m. I do this every morning. Market conditions are trendy, but could be choppy pre-news. My bias is buys. Setups I'm waiting for indication above previous high. So I'm not looking for sells. When I set out if price breaks a low, or doesn't present my setup. Max risk. I know my max risk, but I put it in here every single time, so I can remind myself that this is what I'm doing, this is the plan, so that if I go against that plan, I have something to back up what my original plan was. How am I feeling? I'm feeling calm. I'm feeling way confident because I want to trade, so I feel a bit invincible. So that needs to be contained for sure. We'll also remind myself one trade a day. Wait for setup. Market always presents opportunity. There we go. And that's it. That's actually all I do. And then I'll do, okay, we've got the morning trade analysis done. I need to read over my notes and my daily affirmations. I need to back test a session, yada yada yada. I'll show you guys what I mean by do my notes and my affirmations. Where is it? Okay, daily practices. Okay, here. My reminder notes are just statistics of profitable traders, and my affirmations are affirmations to match those. So the affirmations kind of keep it reminded in my head, and then the reminder notes keep me accountable. So yeah, that's my morning analysis. Thank you guys for doing it with me. I need to leave in 10 minutes, so I need to hurry and have this matcha, film my morning analysis in my short form, and get this posted. Why did I add this extra stress? I don't know, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. What else? Please subscribe if you're new here. I document my entire journey. Usually it's just my trade recaps every day, but this one's just a random one. And then I also do my trading diaries, which is just me basically chit-chatting, talking about the journey, talking about my mindset, talking about like literally everything that's going on for me. Just for a little chit-chat to make you guys feel less alone. if you're going through a trading journey. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for checking in, and I hope you have a great trading day. Let me know what your bias is today and what instruments you're trading. All right, bye.